Here I have PANASONIC Eluga Tapp, and let me show you how to change date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use apps icon, scroll down, and here find and select settings. Scroll down again, and here let's find and select the date and time. It's under system, and here you can use the following options. You can choose automatic date and time, and you can choose it by provider, GPS, or you can tap off, and now you can set up this manually. You can do the same thing with time zone. Now you can set your exact date, you can choose your time, and of course you can select your time zone. But if you would like to go back to automatic configuration, just use the following options, and now you can use the automatic date and time. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.